attention on this one. 1966 Chevrolet Impala, 9-passenger wagon, done upright. 396 big block V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, 700 R4. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. It's actually a factory AC car, and take a look at the front chrome. Bright work, headlight surrounds, grille, and this color. GM Sunburst Orange Metallic. This car will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. How do you do that? 507-386-1726. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. Over 100 pictures of this car online. And look at these rare American racing wheels, torque light, the red line radials, those Nittos. Wow. Take a look at how straight this car is. Go from the front all the way to the rear down the passenger side. Gotta love this Hot Wheels logo on there. What a car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will turn some heads. It's actually from a local customer of ours. He gets it out and drives it every summer, has been through the Midwest with it. Not afraid to get in and drive it. As you can see by peeking in there, black vinyl, bench seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'm going to show you the interior a little closer. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look under the hood. Of course, here's that third row seat. The 9-passenger seating. Power rear window works back here with the keyhole. Also works with the switch underneath the dash. Let's take a look at this rear chrome bumper. This was just recently done, and it shows. It's like Flowmaster exhaust tips. You'll be able to see that exhaust on the underside pictures. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look at this thing from the rear to the front and the driver's side. Again, you can see how nice and straight these long panels are. Did notice one little imperfection down on this door, and I mean it is minor if you can even see that. The front side windows are also tinted, so know your local and state laws with the darkness of the tint, the percentage you can have. I want you to be aware of that. This car also has 4-wheel disc brakes, if you notice in the rear. 355 posi rear end. And it is Flowmaster exhaust when you look at the underside pictures. Some of the recent service work done on this, it does have a new brake booster and master cylinder, as well as a proportioning valve. Newer power steering pump and hoses. 2-inch drop spindles. Up front does have airbags in the coils in the rear. Also new shocks. Like I said, this is a local gentleman that we know. We've sold cars for him before. If you have any questions, feel free to call if there's a question about the car. Take a look at the interior. Door panels looking good. You'll be able to see pictures underneath those doors in the still pictures. Vinyl seat, looking good. One just kind of small little wear spot. Again, nothing major. Rubber floor mats, and you'll be able to see in the pictures, still pictures underneath those floor mats. Carpeting's good. It does have a B&M quick silver shifter on the floor, and then there's also a lockup for the overdrive. So forward is city driving. You get on the highway, want to lock it up, pull this switch back at you. Let's go ahead and fire this up. This car starts like that every time you turn the key. Fires right up, good running car. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, original AC car, 396 big block. dash is good. There's also a dash pad that will go with it. Protect that dash, keep it looking the way it is. Stereo system is working. Oil pressure gauge, water temp. That was a cold start. Sun Pro Tac, working order. Like I said, gentleman that previous owned this car, consign it with us, would drive it throughout the Midwest, get in it and go. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds good. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second, get this hood open, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Underside of the hood, so you can see how clean that is. You know what it's going to look like underneath here, looking at the rest of the car. There it is. 396 headers. Again, new master cylinder, proportion valve, brake booster. That AC blows cold once again. Edelbrock intake. HEI ignition. Good running car. Been looking for a wagon. Don't wait around too long on this one. Don't think this is going to stick around too long. 1966 Chevrolet Impala 9-passenger wagon. You've seen some SS stuff on it. Of course, they didn't make an SS wagon. We're not representing it that way. Let's call it a cool Hot Wheels car. Comes with that 3-month, 500-mile extended protection plan. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Impala wagon. It's just more to love when it's a wagon. This is an awesome copper color on the outside. Starts and runs really well. It's got a B&M Quicksilver shifter in it. Nice firm shifts on that automatic transmission. Good acceleration. If I let go of the wheel, she goes nice and straight down the road. It's a smooth ride. I'm not feeling anything shaking or anything like that. And the fuel gauge is showing just over half. Tachometer by Sun Pro here is working.
Water, cloudiness, funny taste, and odors.
The radio works good. That's a JVC aftermarket unit. We got some Hot Wheels emblems on this car, and it does fit this car. Under the dash, water temperature is reading about 180, and oil pressure is about 50 to 60. Our wipers work great. Go around this roundabout and see what else we can find. Cornering is as you would expect.